Wednesday. Here we go. When is a subordinated conjunction. He is a personal pronoun. Was is a linking verb. In charge is going to be a prepositional phrase. You have a comma there. In is a prep. Charge is a noun. It's the object of the preposition. And was in charge, that's going to be an adverb prepositional phrase. The is an article adjective. Chief petty officer can all be one noun. Spoke is an action verb. With is a prep. Obvious is an adjective modifying rectitude, which is a noun. It's also going to be your object of preposition. Prepositional phrase is modifying spoke, so that's going to be an adverb prepositional phrase. Let's go find our predicates. Linking verb predicate, was, and action verb predicate, spoke. Who or what was? He was, which means this is the break. Who or what spoke? Petty officer spoke. Chief petty officer is your subject, spoke is your predicate. The chief petty officer spoke with obvious rectitude is an independent clause. When he was in charge is a dependent clause, and it's starting with a subordinating conjunction. So you're going to go look to your cheat sheet. You're going to look for a dependent clause that starts with a subordinating conjunction. So it's adverbial dependent clause. When you have an independent clause and a dependent clause together, that is a complex declarative sentence. Okay? Next one, I'm going to skip this. I'm going to go to false is an adjective modifying solicitude, which is a noun. Got a traffic signal there. The is an article adjective. Gentleman is a noun. Inquired is an action verb. About is a preposition. The is an article adjective. Cruise is acting as an adjective modifying welfare, which is a noun. Let's go ahead and finish our preposition. Welfare is the object of the preposition. This is a prepositional phrase modifying inquired, which is a verb, so this would be an adverb. Find your predicate. Action verb predicate, inquired. Who or what inquired? That is a subject. The gentleman inquired. So what we have left is this right here, exuding false solicitude. You don't have a predicate in there, so it's not another clause, but it's a phrase doing something. So ask yourself, exuding false solicitude, what is it doing? Well, it's modifying gentleman. So go to your phrases and find a phrase that ends in ing that modifies a noun. So a gerund is an ing using as a noun, but this is not acting as a noun, it's acting as an adjective. So it's not a gerund. We know it's not a prepositional phrase. It doesn't start with to plus a verb, so we know it's not an infinitive. Participial phrase, a verb form ending in d, ed, en, or ing, it ends in ing, acting as an adjective. Well, it's modifying a noun, so that would be an adjective, and it would be a participial phrase. So you don't need anything here. What you do need right here is what we call a participial phrase. That whole thing is modifying gentleman, which means I only have one subject predicate set, which makes it an independent clause and a simple declarative sentence.